Welcome to Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can prepare your resume. Now let's talk about resume. What is resume? Resume is all about you, like your name, your address, your age, your gender, your father's name, your mother's name, your hobbies, your experience, your skills, your education qualification, everything about you which can help you to get a job. Today in this video I'm going to talk about how to prepare a basic resume by using your smartphone only. Yes, you don't need to go and sit on your computer or go to any cyber cafe. The smartphone which you use to watch this video, yes, you can use that smartphone to prepare your resume very well, and you can also download that resume as a PDF version and you can share it with anyone. So I hope this will be very grateful or very helpful video for everyone, for the blind community. So if really, so please do not forget to press the like button and share this video with your friends, with your communities, and don't forget to subscribe this channel if you visit first time. And one more thing that is very important, don't forget to let me know whether you have created any resume earlier or just learning from this video into the comment section. I am very happy to see your comments. Without any delay, let's jump in. For this, you just need one application which is called Resume Builder. The application is already uploaded on our Telegram channel. The link is given into the video description below. Let's open the application.
Audio Lab, LinkedIn. Resume Builder. Resume Builder. How do you like our app? Rate dialog dismissed. Resume Builder. Open navigation drawer button.
So I have dismissed the rate dialog, so I don't want to rate right now. So let me swipe from left to right and see what are the options here.
Resume Builder. Image. Create resume.
This is a create resume.
Image. View resume.
This is the view resumes, the resumes which you have already created.
Image. Downloads.
Downloads. So these are the resumes which you have downloaded after created.
Image. Share.
Share. So these are the four tabs or four options in the applications. So to create a resume, you just need to go to create resume.
Image. Create resume.
So I'm clicking on create resume.
Resume Builder. About you.
About your first screen, you just need to enter your information. Let's see what are the information.
Name. Edit box.
Name.
Mobile number. Edit
Mobile
box.
number.
Email. Edit box.
Email.
Address. Edit box.
Address.
Objective. Edit box.
Objective. So objective means your career objectives. What do you want to be? So you just need to write 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines, whatever you want. So give all the information and click in. So let's see what is the next screen. After clicking the next button, you have to enter your education details. Let's see what are the options.
Next. List your lowest level of education first.
List your lowest level of education first. For example, you are a graduate person. So first you can enter your Madhyamik or 10th, then 12th, then your graduation, then your post-graduation, etc. etc. Now let me tell you how you can add multiple educations. So I'm pressing
Add your degree. Image button.
image button.
List. Image button.
This button is used to add a new education. So for example, I'm just clicking to add my first education.
Image button. Course/degree. Edit box.
Course/degree, whatever degree you want to, you can add. For example, if I add Madhyamik or 10th, so I can add here.
School/college/university
School's
name.
name.
Edit box. Percentage. Edit box.
Percentage of marks.
CGPA. Edit box.
CGPA means it's a grade.
Year of passing. Edit
Year
box.
of passing. So these all are the informations you need to do. You need to give. to add a new. For example,
School course image
I have
button.
given some information here, then I want to add a new next education. So how to add? For this there are two image buttons. Let's see, let's listen very carefully.
Image. Add your degree. Image button.
This is the image button,
Image button.
and this is
List.
another image button. The second image button is clear everything. Okay, so it will clear everything, and the
Image
first
button. Out of
image
list.
button is used to create a new. For example, if I press this button now, let's see.
Image button. Course / degree. Edit box. Schools.
This is the previous.
Year of path. Image. But course / degree.
Yes,
Edit box.
this is the second. So you can. This is the way you can add multiple educations. Not only multiple educations. You can add multiple job experience, multiple project experience. Everything you can add by using the same way. I will just show you what are the information you need to give, but the process is same. So I am not repeating you because for the video will be very longer. So I'm just filling up informations and then come back with the next screen. Now in the next screen you have to give your job experience. If you don't have, you don't need to enter any experience here. You can easily skip the option.
Next.
So I don't have any job experience, but I will show you how to do.
Job. Image button.
So this image button is create a new experience. So for example, I'm just adding. Let's see what are the fields.
Image. But company. Edit box.
Company,
Role. Edit box.
role,
Start month. Edit box.
start month,
Start year. Edit
start
box.
year,
End month. Edit box.
end month,
End year. Edit box.
end year.
Description. Edit box.
Description, you can just write about what to do, actually what you need to do. For example, you are a customer service executive, so here you can mention what you do. For example, you can just enter like I need to handle the customer care, customer calls, I need to do outbound calls. Whatever you want you can add here. So I'm not adding this because the video will be very long, so that's why I'm just going to next.
Next. Resume builder. Next. Project details.
Project details. So project details is what? Project details means if you work as an intern, or if you work as some projects, some freelance works, some projects which you have worked in your office, in your duty, in your job. So you can add this here. The process is very same. So let's say
Add
I'm
your
just
project.
clicking on
Image.
first image button. Let's see what are the fields.
Project title. Edit box.
Project title.
Project description.
Project
Edit box.
description.
Project duration /
Project
time. Edit box.
durations.
Role. Edit box.
Role,
Team members. Edit
team
box.
members. So if you worked as a team leader, so you can easily add this in your experience. So I'm clicking next because
Next,
I don't
out
have
of
this.
list. Resume builder. Field of interest.
Field of interest. So it's just very important because this will be highlighted on the top of your resume or curriculum vitae or biodata, whatever you can say. So I don't have any. I think I don't have any skills for examples. I'm just pressing next.
Next. Resume builder. Skills.
Skills. So now here you just need to give the skills. Okay, skills means what you know, what you can do.
Next. Add your skills.
So for example, I'm
Image,
just
but
clicking
list.
on
Image.
image button,
Skills.
this button.
Image. Button.
Skills.
Skills. Edit box.
So here you can just write web designing, audio editing, whatever skills you have. So you can write here. Okay. So now I'm pressing next.
Next. Resume builder. Strengths.
So here you just need to add your strength. Strength means what you can do better than others. Everything. It can be good communication, it can be good sales, it can be good team management, everything. So you can just enter. I'm not showing you, I'm not repeating because the process is same, the field is same.
Next.
I'm clicking on
Resume
next.
builder. Hobbies.
Hobbies. So you can enter your hobbies, for example, listening music, reading books, whatever. The process is same, so that's why I'm not repeating.
Next.
I'm clicking on
Resume
next.
builder. Personal details optional.
Personal details, so very important. This is optional here, but I'm recommending you to give all details.
Next. Add photo button. Remove. Add photo
Add
button.
photo. The photo is not working. It is not accessible for us. So you don't need to do that.
Remove button.
Remove.
Image button. Father name. Edit box.
Father name.
Date of birth. Edit
Date
box.
of birth.
Gender. Edit box.
Gender.
Marital status. Edit box.
Marital status.
Nationality. Edit
Nationality.
box. Languages known.
Languages known. Etc. etc. So
Personal
I'm not
details
going
optional.
to give any details.
Next.
I just click on next to show you.
Resume builder. Declaration.
Yes, this is a declaration. This is very important.
Next. Choose declaration button.
Choose declaration, or
Declaration. Edit box.
you can write your own declaration that the information which is provided in your resume is declared by this is authentic and true information.
Choose next.
So I'm
Choose-
just click on choose
declaration. I
declaration.
am keen. I hereby declare that the above mentioned details are true to the best of my knowledge.
There are lots of templates
I
available.
hereby
Three
declare that
templates
I
available.
hereby clarify that I hereby declare
So I'm just
that the
choosing this.
resume builder. Choose declaration. I hereby
See.
declare that the above mentioned details are true to the best of my knowledge. Edit
So
box.
this is the
declaration.
declaration.
Place. Date. Place.
Place.
Edit box.
So I'm just giving just a WB. I'm from
Capital
West
A.
Bengal.
Window 4.
Sorry.
Capital
I'm
A.
giving-
Capital W. B. B. I hereby edit. Date.
So
Showing
date,
time
for
key.
example, I'm just
2. Window
giving
4. 2.
2
5,
5
1,
1
1, 2,
2 0
0, 2,
2 2.
2.
So
Two.
for example, I'm giving a
hereby
date.
declare.
Now
Next.
I'm click on next button.
Keyboard hidden.
The resume
builder.
is created.
Next.
I
Signature.
think. Okay.
Next.
Signature. So you don't need to give your signature because it's inaccessible. So I'm just clicking on next to see what's
Resume
else.
builder. References.
References. So some references you can enter here.
Next. Add reference. Image. Button.
So for example,
List.
some company references,
but-
some
Image. Button. Name. Edit box.
Name.
Job title. Edit
job
box.
title. It's some references.
Phone number. Edit box. Email address. Edit box.
You can just add some references if you wish.
Next. Out of
So I'm
list.
click on next.
Resume builder. 1 dash fresher optimism.
Fresher optimism. This is a template. This is okay. Okay. So if you want, you can change template, but the template is not accessible. I mean, the name of the template is not accessible. So you can use one by one.
Download resume.
Download
Button.
resume.
Preview resume.
Preview
Button.
resume.
Change template. Button.
Change template. Okay. So
Download resume.
now
Button.
I want to download the resume. So let me download the resume. So I'm just clicking on download button.
Downloading PDF. Please wait. Resume builder. Image. Resume 2022 12 16
So the
09
the
34
PDF
58
is now downloaded.
Image. Resume 2022. Image.
I have already created another resume
Image.
here.
Resume
This is another
2022.
resume.
Image. Resume
So I'm
2020.
just going back.
Resume builder. System launcher. Screen. Naukri.com. LinkedIn. Resume all. Resume. Resume
So
builder.
now let's
Resume builder.
do one thing.
Image. Create resume.
Create resume.
Image. View resume.
View resumes and
Image. Downloads.
downloads. So let's
Resume
see.
builder. Image. Image. Resume 2022 12 16 09 34
This is yesterday which I have made, and
Image.
this is
Resume
today's resume.
2022 12 17 09 29 52
So I'm just
PDF
pressing,
91.8. Resume
enter here.
builder. Image. View. Out. Let us know by leaving. Rate dialog negative. Rate dialog. Resume builder. Image. View. Image. Email.
View,
Image. Share.
share. So you can share.
Image.
If you click on share, then
Android system. InstaReader. Row 2.
so all the
Drive.
information is applicable. I mean, we can share this resume through WhatsApp, through Telegram, whatever you want. Okay. So this is all about how you can create your resume, how you can update your resume. So let's see. Let me show you how to update your resume. For example, you have created a resume, but you need to update. So how to do that? I'm
Image.
showing
Email.
you.
Image. View.
Image view.
Resume builder.
So
Image. Resume 2020. Resume. Image. Share.
so click on view
Image.
resume.
View resume. Resume builder. Long press to image. Row 1. Long press to delete resume. Out
Wrong
of grid.
place to delete resume.
Image. Row 1. Column. Image. Column 2. Image. Row 2.
It
column 1.
says nothing, but
image.
I'm
Long
just
press. Image. Image. But. Image. Image. Row 2.
so I'm just
Resume builder.
choosing last
About you.
images.
Name. Raju. Mobile. 6655. Email. Raju at Gmail.
So
Image.
these all are the
Button.
information. I've just used some information, some basic information, and obviously all the information is
About
wrong.
you. Image. Company. Role.
Company
duration,
role.
Project type. Skip. Name. Image. Button.
If you want to edit from the very first
Image.
stage,
Button.
so
Image.
just
Button.
click on the last image button. See,
Resume builder. About you.
about you. It's editing is very first stage.
Resume
And
builder.
if you want to just edit your
Image
information
button.
about you, then you can.
About you. Image. About you. Name.
About
red,
you.
Image. Button.
This button is the edit button. Okay.
Company role.
Company
duration,
role,
dash,
duration.
Project title. Description.
Project title,
duration,
descriptions,
Institution.
Institutions,
CPS. Interest and list.
interest.
Skill and list. Name.
All
title.
these things can be
Image
edited
button out of list.
with
Image button out of
this
list.
button. I mean, at the very next to the last image button. Okay. But yeah, so this is all about resume builder application. I know this video is quite long, but I have to make this video for you guys. So now it's your turn to share this video, like this video, create your resume, and share your experience into the comment section. So this is for today. Thank you for watching this video till the end. See you soon. Till then, bye bye.